Hello, welcome to Phonics today. So, Fred is over here sitting today, and that gives us a clue for our sound today. Are you ready? This sound is Your turn. You whisper it, and you shout it. Can you say it to your elbow? Say it to Fred. Say it to your teddies. Well done. Now you might be thinking, hang on a minute, Mrs. Blakiston, we've already done the sound this week. What are we doing? Are you in a muddle? Now, sometimes I do get myself in a muddle, but do you remember I showed you last time we had the other one, which was and we also had a second one, let's see if I can find it quickly, which is this one. But today's sound is different again, and it is this one. So, this one is the and the to make the sound. This is the and the to make the sound. And this is the and the to make the sound. 3 ways to make the sound. So our new one today, the rhyme is a better letter. Let's do that. Okay, a better letter. Let's do flip the card, shall we? Oh look, off he goes. Oh, do you know what's going to come back? Where's he going? There he is. Well done. So that's the a better letter. So, 2 special friends, 2 letters together, making the sound. Let's do some words. So, over. Your turn. Letter. Letter. Your turn. Better. Better. Your turn. Well done. Let's do one more. Never. Ready? Never. Your turn. Well done. Let's play a game of gotcha, shall we? See if you can spot the sound that we're doing today. So, remember, we are looking for this one, and we're going to mix these up as well. So, ready? Mix the other sounds in there. See if I can trick you today. Remember, you've got to say the sound and the rhyme and then gotcha with your hand. Ready, and. Ready? Well done. I'm going to hide that a bit better this time. Well done. A better letter. Let's hide it. There it is. Grabbing it. A better letter. You see, we've got lots and lots of sounds we've been learning. That's the other Don't get confused. Oh, there's the other one. 3 ers. No wonder it's so hard to write our spelling sometimes. Well done. Gotcha. A better letter. That postman gets around, doesn't he? He likes to be busy. Posting all those letters. nearly at the end. Finally, a better letter. And the last one, a funny one, poo at the zoo. So well done everyone with our gotcha. So, I'm just going to put this over here. And Fred's going to watch and listen to you doing your green story words. So these are the real words that we can Fred talk. And then we'll do alien words. And this is a word that from where I used to live in Cornwall, we used to say this quite a lot. So, ready? Proper. Your turn. We used to say the words proper job. It's a very Cornish saying, that is. Okay, let's do another one. Corner. Your turn. Well done. Okay. After. Okay. I say after, you might say after. Okay, your turn. It's just down to different accents. Ready? After, or after. Better. Well done. Oh, a bit longer one now. Weather. Did you stick your tongue out for that one? Weather. Finally, never. Your turn. Well done. So those are our real words. Now notice those words usually had the at the end. Well, in these alien words, the isn't always at the end. And these alien words are words that have been made up and remind us of real words, so that's what can trick us sometimes. So I wonder if you can guess what this word reminds me of. Let's sound it out. Hunter. Your turn. Did that remind you of a hunter? So if we change that letter to an sound, we could write the word hunter. This alien word says hunter. Oh, tricky one. Skern. Your turn. Well done. Told you to be in the middle as well on these alien words. Versp. Your turn. Oh, tricky one now. Verve. Oh, does that remind you of? Let's say it. It's a tricky one. Sninker. Say it again, shall we? Sninker. That reminds me of the word stinker. Funny old word. And finally, for aliens, flern. Your turn. Well done, flern. So those are our alien words. I'm going to move them over there. Now we're going to do some words. And remember, usually the this spelling of is usually at the end. So I'm just going to move my board. Okay, so we need to write the sound. So we've got the sweep up for the and sweep up, down, up and over for the That's our sound. Okay, let's do letter. Okay, so we're going to do a tall letter. We're going to sweep up, down, flick, I have to do that one. Now this is the bit that's tricky because in letter it's got a double t. So and you're right, at the end. Ready? Letter. Let's have a go at writing better. So just like the word letter, it has the double t in the middle, and the at the end. Let's do never. N, e, v, N, e, v, never. So those are some examples of the sounding words. Let's have a go now thinking about our sentences. Have you got a sentence or an word in your head? Have a little think while I rub out the board and see if you can work out your own words. If you want to, you can pause the video and you can write your words, or you can do it afterwards. So, I've got some ideas. Oh yes, one really good for today. Okay, I planned my sentence. I actually write a little note for myself to remember. I hope the weather gets better. I hope the weather gets better. I really do, because today is a very rainy day. Ready? I, capital letter, I. That's a word, remember? I. I hope. Now that's that split O, like in phone home. So we're going to sweep up. Hope. Hopes. We've got a split digraph. They are special friends that have been split up for hope. I hope the weather. So we can do the. Remembering your finger spaces between the words. I hope the. Now weather. Now that's a little bit longer. Remember we had that on our green words. W, e, So w. Now this is the e sound that is a bit tricky to do. It looks like E as in cup of tea, but this one makes the E sound. W, e, So w, e, weather. I hope the weather gets better. No room over here. Go to this side again. G, et, s, gets better. B, et. Remember how to spell that from before. Full stop at the end. Let's read it back. I hope the weather gets better. Do you notice how I keep rereading it as I write the sentence so I can remember what I have to write? And that way I get the words in the right order. I hope the weather gets better. Gets. I really do. Now, next sentence. I got a letter from my sister. Okay, you could have changed that to brother. But I'm going to say my sentence is, I got a letter from my sister. 7 words. Again, I'm going to start over here. That's where I've got space for my next sentence. Capital letter. I got. Got. We can sound that out. A letter. We know how to write that. We practiced that earlier. Letter. I got a letter from my sister. From. Let's sound out from. M. My, tricky word, my sister, sister. Now it's really important that you stretch out the words. So I don't want you to write sitter, I want you to write sister. So imagine you've got that elastic band. Sister. So that elastic band is stretching and then pinging the word back together to blend it together. Again, s, I, st, sister. S, I, st, s, I, st, It's important you stretch out those longer words and you can hear all the middle sounds as well. So I need at the end a full stop. Let's read my sentence back. I got a letter from my sister. And that's the end of my sentence. I wonder what word sentences you can come up with this time. Remember, you can write them down with pens, pencils, make them as bright and colourful as you can, but remember to use your capital letters in the right place, your finger spaces and your full stops. We look forward to seeing your phonics writing today. So well done. Thanks for listening, everyone. Bye-bye.